There are some reports suggesting that the Taliban fighters sent from Kabul to capture Panjshir are meeting fierce resistance from the Tajik fighters. There are conflicting reports of claims and counterclaims by both the Taliban and the resistance. But some reports at this point indicate that the Taliban have suffered a serious setback near Salang Pass. Reinforcements have reportedly been sent in from Kabul for the Taliban, even as some of the Afghan army fighters are regrouping and striking back again.
Conflicting reports of fierce fighting between forces loyal to Amrullah Saleh and Ahmad Masood and the Taliban near Panjshir, the last pocket of resistance against the Taliban in Afghanistan. Forces loyal to the Taliban claim more than 3,000 Taliban fighters have been launched to tackle the forces of resistance ahead of Panjshir. The Taliban fighters are led by Qari Faseoff Hafizullah, a Taliban commander hailed as the man who won the north. Taliban put out propaganda video of the fighters heading towards Panjshir, some 150 kilometers from Afghanistan's capital, Kabul. The terrain of Panjshir is such that neither the Soviets nor the Taliban were able to control the province tucked in the Hindu Kush mountains. The high mountains, the jagged rocky knolls, and the narrow approach that can easily be dominated from the heights make Panjshir a virtually impregnable fortress. And then the reputation of the Tajik fighters, fiercely independent, loyal and anti-Taliban, especially majority of the Panjshiri Tajiks who look up to their hero Ahmad Shah Massoud, the Lion of Panjshir, the leader of the Northern Alliance, the man who neither the Soviets nor the Taliban could tame. He was, however, killed in a suicide attack just before the 9/11 attacks. His son Ahmad and trusted aide Amrullah Saleh, the Vice President of Afghanistan, are now spearheading the resistance along with General Bismillah Khan Mohammadi, the Defense Minister of Afghanistan, and about 1,100 plus Afghan National Army fighters. There are about 8,000 to 10,000 Tajik fighters along the 1,100 Afghan Army soldiers guarding Panjshir and fighting back against the Taliban. There are also reports that the 201 Corps of Afghan National Army moved from Kabul to Pole Charkhi and the Salang Tunnel. They have reportedly beaten back at least one Taliban assault. Another 1,000 soldiers of the 203 Corps from Ghazni are also en route Panjshir. Reports also indicate that fighters of 209 Corps at Mazar-e-Sharif and 217 Corps at Kunduz are battling the Taliban at Baglan and Andrab. The fierce exchange with the Taliban are at the south end of the Salang Tunnel, and reinforcements for Taliban have been dispatched from Kabul. In the fog of war, both sides are claiming victory. Gaurav Sawant, India Today.
The Taliban is struggling essentially to go ahead and breach Panjshir, and there's a reason for that. This valley is a nightmare for invaders. Even previously, the Taliban could never catch hold of Panjshir, and here's why. The valley is known for its natural defenses. It's essentially pocketed around very rough terrain, around mountains. The region is tucked into the Hindu Kush mountains, and there's only one way to really enter the valley. Geographically, it's cut off from the rest of Afghanistan. Panjshir is in North Afghanistan, around the Hindu Kush mountains, so it's not really connected very well to the rest of Afghanistan. There's only a narrow passage that's been created by the Panjshir River, and that is the only access point in and out of the valley. So anyone who wants to enter Panjshir will come in only through this particular area. The narrow stretch for access can be defended easily. The Tajik community, the fighters who are there, are known to be in huge numbers around this particular area. It's known for its emeralds. Panjshir Valley is known to be very, very rich also because of its emeralds. So if that's something they tap into, they can be completely sufficient. These emeralds are used to to also finance the resistance movement that's on right now in Panjshir and was happening also previously against the Taliban in the 1990s as well. So that's why it's important for the resistance to continue to be based out of Panjshir, and that's why the Taliban right now reportedly is struggling to enter the valley.